for a lot of the big investments that we make around the world, whether it's in large liquefied natural gas projects or very large deep water developments, these are decade-long investment decisions that you take with a view that they have to be able to perform across a very broad range of pricing. So all of the investment decisions we take have been tested across a range of pricing that accommodates these types of price swings. And what you do is ensure that you can invest and be successful at the bottom of the cycle.
So what's the threshold, though? What's the bottom for you?
Well, we test across a range that's all the way down to $40 and up to $120. And that's for a number of reasons. And importantly, too, is that a lot of these investments perform differently as price changes because of the fiscal regimes that govern the investments in different countries around the world.
You know, big oil has not been a big lover of some of the shale production in the United States. They haven't invested heavily themselves. Is that because it's more expensive to get that oil out of the ground?
No, I think we are a big investor in the shales in the United States through our acquisition of XTO, initially into the shale gas. But since we acquired XTO, then we have been expanding our holdings in the tight oil space as well. So we now have significant tight oil holdings in the Bakken, the Permian, and some very liquid-rich plays in Oklahoma, and we're quite happy with the performance of those. It is a huge resource base, and so if you're in our business, you have to be in the big resource bases around the world, and this is one of the largest new resource plays in the world, is what's happening in North America.